Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today I'm going to show you the cutest speakers that you ever seen for under 20 bucks. We got the HMDX Emoji speakers. Now you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The prices range from 15 to 19 bucks. Now shout out to everybody that watches my videos. You see me review these before. I promised y'all I was going to show you the whole set. So now we got the whole set. Now, on a side note, if you're looking for stocking stuffers, Secret Santa, or some extra holiday gifts to give around to those family members that pop up with kids, you want to check these out. Now, I'm speaking from experience. I had these last year. I gave them to all of the kids. Everybody loved them. All right, so here we go. First up, we got the Kiss. All right, HMDX lighted Emoji speaker. Now, check this out. Not only is this under 20 bucks, it's an actual speaker, it has a speakerphone, and it lights up. All right, shoes, calm down. Check this out. All right, on the back, you got 4 buttons. So this is your light control. You got volume up and down, play and pause, and the play and pause also acts as a power button. Now you got your 3.5 input for non-Bluetooth devices, a little mic, and your micro USB charging slot. Now, one thing, it doesn't come with the cable, but everybody got those cables on deck, or you could buy a handful of them for about 5 bucks. All right, so here we go. Let's power it up real quick. Check this out. Now, if y'all notice, you see the light? Let's find that light button. All right, hit the shoes. I'm gonna need you to calm down. You see the lights? Now hit the button again. I can turn it off or turn it on. Now, when you see it flashing like that, if I'm playing music, the light is gonna flash with the music. That's pretty sick. Now, I'm gonna give y'all a demo in a second. Let's power this off. Also on the back, it comes with a little stand. So you open it up like this, and you just stand it like that. All right, let me show you the rest real quick. Now, I'll show you the ones that I already did, and then I'll show you the new ones. Next, we got Love Struck. Now, some of them only have 3 buttons. The ones that have 3 buttons, they don't light up. So this one doesn't light up, but I'll just power it on anyway. And believe it or not, these speakers actually sound good. I'm going to do a little sound test so you can hear for yourself, but you're going to like these. For the price, you cannot complain. They also have this little clip on the back. You can throw a string through there if you want, hang it up somewhere, do what you do. Okay, so that's Love Struck. Now, I'm trying to remember the actual emoji names. Next up, we got Just Joking, okay? Just Joking. This one is cute. 3 buttons, no lights. Next up, let's take it over to Too Cool. All right, now this is one of my favorite emojis that I use during the day because I'm too cool. All right, let's see what we got next. Okay, now we got, this is one everybody uses, LOL, laugh out loud. Now check this out. 4 buttons on the back, so that means this one does light up. So let's power it up. Look at those lights. I like this one. Let's hit the lights again. There's a flash. How cute is this? Who is not going to like one of these? Wait till you hear it. Let me show you the new ones now. Next up, we got the heart. Now, y'all never seen this one on my channel. This one is ultra cute also. Let's see, a power button. Okay, heart lights up. Now, I know somebody's going to ask, can you pair multiple speakers together? The answer is no. All right, one at a time. All right, so let's open this one up. Next up, we got Trouble. Trouble. Now, my daughter loves this one. Let me show you this. Look at the lights on this one. The horns light up and the eyes light up. I like this one too. This is cute. All right. And we got one more. One more for the fellas. All right, fellas, you're going to need this one. The Chocolate Swirl. Or as we call it, the piece of shit. No lights on this one. Same sound quality. Now, this one doesn't have the flap on the back, but you don't need it because you got rubber stoppers on the bottom. There it is. All right, so I'm going to grab a phone, I'll pair one up, and we'll do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, one quick correction. Check this out. Here's the packaging from the top. If you open it up, you got a quick start guide and a micro USB charging cable. You also got the usual books and shit. Plug them and follow them. But most importantly, it does come with the micro USB charging cable. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now I got this all paired up, so now let's test it out. Now for the pairing process, real simple. Once you power on the speaker, it's automatically going to be in Bluetooth mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the Emoji speaker. All right, so here we go. You could also lay it flat. All right, now here's a little sample of the LOL speaker. All right, so we'll do one more sample with the kiss. All right, so now let's do a test phone call using the chocolate swirl, aka the piece of shit. Let's call the 24-hour diner and see what time they close.
Portsmouth.
Yes, hi. What time you guys close tonight?
It's a diner. We're open 24/7.
Okay, 24/7. All right, thanks a lot.
Okay.
All right, later. Phone calls sound crystal clear, nice and loud. All right, so there it is. For less than 20 bucks, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. This is the perfect gift. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.